Hello dear children, today Auntie Anne is going to show you all how to do the conjunction game. To do this you all need 3 different flowers in 3 different colors. You all can take for these 3 different pens, 3 different pencils, whatever you all like. And you all need to have a writing tray. For this you all need to have few paper slips, a pair of scissors, a writing pencil and a red color pencil. And for this game we are using the symbol box also. Can you all see there are triangles here? There are light blue small triangles and there are 3 pink color rectangles, 3 dark blue triangles and 3 black color big triangles. So these are the material we are going to use. Now let's see how to do this game. Now we are going to place these flowers. Can you place these flowers now? Place the flowers. Right, now we'll name these flowers, right? The white flower, the yellow flower, the purple flower. Now Auntie is going to write these names on a paper. Right, you all watch me carefully. The white flower. Right. Can you read this now?
The white flower.
Right. Can you place this label now? Right. Now Auntie is going to name the other flower. The yellow flower. Right. Can you read this now?
The yellow flower.
Right. Place the label under the flower now. Auntie will name the other flower also. The purple flower. Right, can you read this now?
The purple flower.
Right, place the label under the flower. Right, now we name the flowers. Now do you know, when we want to put these together, we use another word. We use this word when we want to put something together. We'll write this with the red color pencil. This word is, what is this word? And. And, right. Let's keep this word between these 2 flowers, right? Can you read now?
The white flower
and the yellow flower. Now we are going to keep these flowers together. Let's bring them down and keep them together. How we can keep them together? We can tie these flowers together. Right? Can you hold from this stems? Right, Auntie will put a bow there. Right, can you all see? We got a lovely flower bouquet now. Right, we'll bring the slips also down. Right, bring the slips down. The white flower and
the yellow flower.
The yellow flower and
the
purple flower. Right, we got a lovely sentence now. The white flower and the yellow flower and the purple flower. Right. Let's change these words and see whether there is any meaning for this sentence now. Right. We transpose the words now. Can we read now? And the white flower and the yellow flower, the purple flower. Is there any meaning? No. So we'll change it again. Right. The white flower and the yellow flower and the purple flower. Okay, now we are going to use the symbol box. Can you see the symbol box? We are going to keep the symbols on these words. Right. Which word tells you there is only one?
The.
Right. The it's an article. Right. For articles we are using these light blue triangles. Right. The small triangle. Okay. Which word tells you what kind it is?
White.
White. It's an adjective. For adjectives we use this dark blue triangles. Okay. Which word tells you what it is?
Flower.
Right. Flower is a noun. For nouns we use this black triangles. Right. Which word tells you that they are together?
And.
And is a conjunction. What is it? Conjunction. Right. For conjunction we use this pink color rectangles. Right. Again, which word tells you that there is only one?
The.
Right. The it's an article. For articles we use light blue triangle. Right. Which word tells you what kind it is?
Yellow.
Yellow it's an adjective. For adjectives we use this dark blue triangle. Right. Which word tells you what it is?
Flower.
Flower. Flower it's a noun. For nouns we are using this black triangles. Okay. We'll keep a black triangle here. Which word tells you that they are together?
And.
And is a conjunction. What is it? And is a conjunction. Right. For conjunctions we use this pink color rectangle. Right. Right. Again, which word tells you there is only one?
The.
The is an article. For articles we are using light blue triangles. Right. The small triangle. Light blue small triangle we are using for articles. Okay. Right. Which word tells you what kind it is?
Purple.
Purple is an adjective. For adjectives we are using this dark blue triangle. Right. Which word tells you what kind it is? Flower. Flower is a noun. For nouns we use this black color triangle. Right. Can you all see this now? Right. Shall we read once again? The white flower and the yellow flower and the purple flower. You all also do this game at home and send me the pictures. Bye.